Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. Believe me, you can miss any video but not this one, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can get credit card plus personal loan plus credit line all together, and this will immensely help you to build your credit in 2021. Means you can increase your credit score up to 100 points just under a week. Yes, this is really important. If you missed this video and you're struggling with bad credit and you have no credit at all, then believe me, this video is for you. If you miss any part of this video, believe me, you are going to regret it, because this is an amazing opportunity, and we came up with this opportunity in this video specifically for those people who are struggling with bad credit, who have no credit, or who wants to rebuild their credit or improve their credit up to 100 points. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a massive $35,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So at first, there are some very important things to remember. Yes, just by watching this video till the end and by not skipping any part, you can change your credit score upside down, and believe me, you can add up to 100 points to your credit very quickly. So as I request you, don't skip any part and watch this video till the end, because it will change your life and your credit. So at first, just by watching this video, you can lower your high credit utilization rate. Yes, if you have high credit utilization rate, means you have balances on your credit cards or your personal loans, then by watching this video, you can actually lower your credit utilization rate. And as we all know that credit utilization makes 30% of the whole credit report, so this will have an immense effect to your credit. Now secondly, just by watching this video and following the steps that we are going to mention right here, you can improve your payment history. Yes, payment history plays a very important part when it comes to your credit report. Yes, because payment history makes 35% of the whole credit report. So yes, by watching this video and following the steps what we are going to mention right here in this video, you can improve your payment history, and this will have a huge effect to your credit score. And this is really important, that by watching this video and following these steps and getting the credit products what we are going to tell you in this video, believe me, none of the credit products that you are going to get after watching this video will have any sort of effect or impact to your credit, because there is no credit check at all. That's why Credit Viral is one of the most anticipated credit channel right here on YouTube. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't skip any part. Now I know that you must be thinking, what is actually included in this video? Well, the first and the most important thing, that this video will allow you to get a credit line of $10,000, and it's guaranteed credit line with no credit check at all. That it doesn't matter that you have bad credit or the worst credit in the world, or you have no credit. Yes, you are going to get this $10,000 credit line guaranteed. And all you need to do, you just need to watch this video till the end and follow the steps what we are going to mention in this video. Now also, second thing, and this is really important, we are also going to show you how you can get this secured personal loan guaranteed with no credit check at all. Yes, if you get this secured personal loan, what it will do, it will create the positive payment history, and don't worry about it. Whatever you pay, you're going to get it back. So just think about it. You are getting $10,000 of credit line, and then you're also going to get a secured personal loan, which will not put your money at risk, but it will improve your credit score. It will create positive payment history, and your money will be secured in a savings account. I know it sounds crazy, right? No, but this is true. Just by watching this video and not skipping any part, you are going to get both of those things. But there's one more thing left, and what it is, that is secured credit card. You must be thinking, why would I get secured credit card? I can go to any bank and do that. No, you don't need to put any down. You don't need to do anything. This is a very different sort of secured credit card, which will actually allow your checking account to use as a secured credit card. It means you're not going to put any money as collateral, or you're not gonna put your money at risk. Isn't it crazy? And all of these three things has no credit check at all. So please watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part and follow the steps what we are going to tell you in this video. So here is the first and the very amazing credit product. Yes, we are going to talk about how you can lower your credit utilization rate. Yes, you can get this $10,000 credit line to lower your credit utilization rate significantly, and believe me, it can improve your credit score immensely, and there is no credit check at all. What are the eligibility criteria, how you can get it, I'm going to tell you each and everything right here. Yes, you can get this $10,000 credit line and you can buy whatever you want with it on their website, but the main purpose of this video and of this credit line right here specifically in this video is to lower your credit utilization rate. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria and how you can get it. So as you can see right here, Attractive Gem Jewelers can give you $10,000 of revolving credit, and your approval is guaranteed. Yes, your approval is guaranteed. All you need to do, that you have to be a US citizen, you have to be 18 years of age or older, and you have to have a valid social security number. That's it. That's all the things that you need in order to get approved for this $10,000 credit line. Yes, they have some sort of fee, and yes, they charge you $149.99 per year, literally for the whole year, and it's a one-time fee. Just think about it. Getting this $10,000 revolving credit line reporting to your account, it will lower your credit utilization rate, and once you do that, you can get access to the higher credit limits, you can actually get other products, and then you can close this account. And you know what's the great thing about it? That they don't do any sort of hard or soft inquiry, and they don't report negative. Literally, they don't report negative things to your credit report, and this is great, you know. And they also report your credit line monthly and your payments as well if you want to buy something from their website. So they actually report your payments to the credit bureaus as well, and it will change your credit score upside down. It will have an immense effect to your credit score. And you know what's the great thing? This is the first product that we are reviewing right here. We have a secured card, we have a personal loan that we are reviewing in this video. So please stick around, don't skip any part, and watch the video till the end. Yes, there is a fee of $149.99. It's $150 for the whole year. How much is gonna be? Like probably like $12 a month or $13 a month. Just think about it. Just by doing that, you can improve your credit score immensely. There's a link below in the video's description. You can go there, click on it, and apply for it. Get it, improve your score, and then if you want, you can get rid of it. Don't worry about it, because they will only report as a closed account. They never ever report negatives to your credit report, and that's the great thing about them. So let me show you their application very fast and very quickly, because we have to move towards the personal loan and the credit card. So they record your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your phone number, your email address, your current address, your social security number. Don't worry about it. There's no hard pull, there's no soft pull. They just need to verify your identity. They require your how much you rent you pay. This is not necessary to fill, so don't worry about it. Only you're required to fill the fields with the red star in it, so don't worry about each and everything right there. Then you need to create your password and confirm it and submit. That's it. That's all you need to do. You are going to see a $10,000 credit line reporting to your credit report, and believe me, it will change your credit score upside down. Now let's move on towards the personal loan. So when it comes to the secured personal installment loan, Self is the best lender, or you can say the financial institution in the market right now, because they offer no credit check personal secured loan. But why I'm talking about the credit card and the credit line and the secured loan all together in one video? Well, remember, a mix of credit is really important on your credit report. For example, you want to finance a car or mortgage a house. When you go to the lender, what they will see that what sort of credit products you have. When they see that you have a credit card and then you have a personal installment loan, and at the same time you have a credit line of $10,000, believe me, it will show your positivity and your positive payment history and positive financial habit, and this will really force them to approve you for the credit products or the car or the mortgage you are looking for. So yes, right here, Self is one of the best installment loans right there, and the great thing about it as well, that it's no credit check. So how it works, let me just show you right here. All you need to do, you need to apply for a credit builder account. Yes, they call it the credit builder account. It's a secured personal installment loan. You can pay off your credit builder account in the specified amount. You can choose the payment term and the dollar amount that best fits for you. For example, you can actually choose $50 per month, and you can do that. Like for 12 months is going to be $600. So after 12 months, you can actually get your $600 back minus the APR and the other fees that they occur. So as you can see right here, build credit while saving money starting at $25 per month. So of course, you can actually make the payment of $25 per month, and then you can build your account, and then after 12 months is going to be $300 minus the APR and the fee, and then you're going to get your money back. Isn't it crazy? So each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. But how they build your credit history? Because they report your monthly payments to all 3 credit bureaus. Isn't it great? Yes, so the credit line reports to the all 3 credit bureaus. Now, these personal secured installment loan reporting your payment to all 3 credit bureaus, and the credit card I'm going to show you right after this is also going to report to the all 3 credit bureaus, and that's how you can improve your score up to 100 points very quickly. Yes, so at the end, unlock your savings. So once you have paid off your credit builder account, your CD unlocks and the money is yours minus fees and interest, as I already told you, will be given back to you. Isn't it crazy? You're paying off a loan. In reality, you are improving your credit score and building your credit. So yes, this is a great opportunity for a lot of you out there who are struggling with bad credit, no credit, or the worst credit in the world. You can do that pretty easily. What you're going to have, a mix of credit with the personal loan, with a credit line, with a credit card. Yes, now let's move towards the credit card. But again, all the links of credit card, of this personal loan and credit line are in video's description. You can go into video's description, click on it, and the application will open, and then you can apply pretty easily. Now let's move towards the credit card. Now at last but not the least, here's my favorite secured credit card, and why I love it so much, because this secured credit card alone can increase your credit score by up to 30 points. Yes, as you can see, and this is a great one because you don't have to pay a single penny in annual fee or interest, because there is no annual fee or 0 interest. Now another great thing about it, that there's no credit check to apply. It will not impact your credit score at all. So it doesn't matter how bad or worst your credit is, you are still going to get approved for it. And there is no minimum security deposit required. what you need to do when you actually apply for Chime. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. So you are going to get all the 3 links of credit line, of that secured personal loan and secured credit card in the video's description. You can go there and apply for all 3 of them. So when you do that, you need to open an account with Chime. It's free, don't worry about it. So whatever money you have in your checking account, you can actually move it to your secured credit card, use it, and then you can pay it off. That's it. Seriously, you don't have to put any sort of collateral or security deposit. You are good to go. You can use your own money to build your credit score. So that's the video that I wanted to show you. So you can apply for $10,000 credit line guaranteed. You can apply for the personal secured loans guaranteed, and then you can get this Chime secured credit card guaranteed, no credit check at all. And remember that this is a really important video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I would love to know what do you think about it, and I'm 100% sure that it's going to improve your credit score up to 100 points. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a massive $35,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.